There is a living area, kitchenette area. This is pretty spacious and huge. Wow, this is really spacious, huge and beautiful, I must say. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here at Pavni Mirabilia for sample flat tour. Well, we will let you know a lot in detail about this project, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby you do an inquiry and your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. But Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers, so you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. So now let us have a look at the project. Today we are here at Pavni Mirabilia, which is located at Kadugodi Main Road, Whitefield, and it is spread across 15.1 acres with 11 towers, which includes 10 residential towers, 1 commercial tower, and also it is G plus 19 floors each, and it is available in 3 BHK variants. Talking about the connectivities, Kadugodi metro station is just 1.5 kilometers away, Phoenix Market City is just 10 to 15 minutes away, ITPL and other business parks is just 10 minutes away, and Prestige Forum Mall is just 10 minutes away, and also all schools and colleges are just within 5-kilometer radius. Talking about the amenities, they are providing you 40 plus amenities, which includes the clubhouse. The unique factor of this clubhouse is it is 65,000 square feet, and also they have 1 commercial tower as I told you earlier, and also they have basketball court, tennis court, kids play area, swimming pool, amphitheater and many more to offer. Right now we are standing outside 3 BHK sample flat by Pavni Mirabilia, which is 1585 square feet. Come, let us have a look at the flat. Wow, this is really beautiful and spacious. As we enter, we can see an entry space, and also to my right there is a living area which is very beautiful and spacious. It can easily accommodate your sofas, and also right opposite to the sofa space there is a TV space. It is also pretty huge. It can easily accommodate your flat TVs. And this leads me to the dining area. Wow, I have really spacious dining area. I can easily walk around the dining area. The dining area is pretty huge and spacious. This leads me to my favorite spot of the house, that is the balcony space. So it has fully slidable doors, and this leads me to a beautiful and laminated wooden flooring balcony space. This is very much compatible for your evening chais and morning coffees. So now let us have a look at the kitchenette area. So as soon as we exit the balcony area, and to my left I have the kitchenette area. This is pretty spacious and huge. As soon as we enter, we can see some space right here. You can obviously customize based on your needs. There is a refrigerator space, and also there is a sink space, and the kitchenette area is pretty huge and spacious. And also not to forget, there is a utility area as well. Countertop along with the sink slabs will be given with the utility area. So as we go forward and exit the kitchenette area, now let us have a look at the bedrooms. As I told you, it's a 3 BHK flat and we will have 3 bedrooms. Now let us have a look at bedroom number 1. Wow, this is really spacious and huge. So as soon as we enter, we can see a very beautiful and spacious bedroom number 1, and there's a very much pretty space around the bed, and also the bed space also is pretty huge, which can easily accommodate your king size bed. And also right opposite to that there is half French windows, and right in front of the bed there is a huge wardrobe space which can easily accommodate all of your clothes. And also right beside that there's a very small cute space right here, and it is also very adaptable for your lounge space. And also here there is another windows which is in half French windows, and right opposite to that we have an attached washroom for bedroom number 1. It has glass partitioning, and also it has anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So now let us have a look at bedroom number 2. So as we proceed further, we will have a look at bedroom number 2, but before that there's a common washroom here which we'll not forget. So as we enter the common washroom, we can already witness its anti-skid tiles with high-end, top-notch sanitary fittings. And as we continue to go further from the attached or a common washroom, we have the bedroom number 2. Wow, this is really spacious. I can easily walk around the bed. There is a huge bed space here which is really nice and beautiful and very spacious, I must say. And right opposite to that, there is a TV space, and also right diagonal to the TV space, there is a pretty huge closet space which can easily accommodate all of your belongings and clothes. And this will lead me to the exit of bedroom number 2. Now let us have a look at bedroom number 3, that is the master bedroom. As we continue to go further, you can see it is taking me a little while to reach bedroom number 3, that is master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what actually Housey does for us. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. In Housey, we give you pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will let you know full inclusive pricing, which includes EMI and down payment. In Housey, we give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. If after all this, you like the project, then simply by 3 clicks, you can go book your free site visit. Just click on the link in the description box below and book your free site visit today. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit today. Now let us have a look at bedroom number 3, that is master bedroom. Wow, this is really spacious, huge and beautiful, I must say. As soon as we enter, first thing that we notice is there is very much space in the entry to the master bedroom. Pretty spacious, and I can easily walk around the bed. And also there is space on both sides of the bed which can easily accommodate your bedside lamps and easily accommodate your king size bed. It's pretty huge, I must say. And right opposite to that, I have wardrobe space, and also there is tiny space in between which you can use it as lounge space, and also there is another closet space right there. It can easily accommodate all your belongings. And also here, not forget to mention that we have a half French windows that is slidable, and also right opposite to that, we have an attached washroom to the master bedroom which has top-notch high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles, and there's a glass partitioning as well. So this was the sample flat 3 BHK tour by Pavni Mirabilia. And if at all you like this project, then you need to go register yourselves on housey.com. And also you can download e-brochure of this project by simply clicking on the link in the description box below. And also before going, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and project updates. Until then, bye-bye.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.